Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Official Creality Ender 3S1 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3S1 is the latest 3D printer in the popular Ender 3 series. It features a brand new design and several new features that make it the current overall best 3D printer under $500. It comes with an entirely new direct drive extruder from Creality, the Sprite extruder. It has dual metal gears that give you increased pushing force and help achieve better print quality with flexible filaments. The Ender 3S1 also has a built-in CR touch sensor that facilitates 16-point automatic bed leveling. This feature was previously found on more expensive printers and is a fantastic addition to the Ender 3S1, making it easier than ever to get great prints. The machine itself is also very well built. It has a sturdy aluminum frame that ensures stability during longer prints. The print surface is a magnetic detachable build plate that can be removed easily after printing. A simple bend and your 3D print will pop right off. Creality has integrated a dual Z-axis in the Ender 3S1's design, giving it improved stability and precision. The inclusion of an easy-to-use LCD screen, filament runout sensor, and resume printing function are additional features that enhance its user experience. Despite that, the Ender 3S1 does have a couple of shortcomings. Lack of a touch screen, poor quality instructions, and underdeveloped firmware are the main gripes we ran into when testing the machine. At an asking price point of $400, however, these issues can be forgiven. The Ender 3S1 is an incredible machine that offers a fantastic printing experience. With its new features, it has firmly established itself as the best overall 3D printer under $500. It makes for an excellent 3D printer for intermediate-level users, small business owners, and hobbyists who need a reliable printer that delivers great print quality. At number 2. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer. The Ender 3S1 Pro is the middle sibling in the S1 series and differentiates itself with some nifty features. Creality has included several advanced features in the Ender 3S1 Pro that make it a more user-friendly Ender 3 3D printer under $500. The S1 Pro keeps the same design as the Ender 3S1, albeit with subtle differences. The hot end is upgraded to print high-temperature materials up to 300 degrees Celsius, giving you access to additional 3D printing filaments. It also comes with a 4.3-inch full-color LCD touchscreen and an intuitive user interface for easy access to all the features. Compared to the LCD screen with a knob of the Ender 3S1, the touchscreen of the S1 Pro is a welcome addition. The spring steel magnetic pay build plate on the S1 Pro gives you excellent bed adhesion, durability, and easy removal of your prints. Again, an improvement over the PC-coated plate of its S1 sibling. The bed handle and an overhead LED light setup are also neat features in the S1 Pro. They make for an easy-to-use 3D printer, as they take away some of the hassles that are associated with 3D printing. In terms of negatives, the instructions that come with the Ender S1 Pro are still poorly written and don't do a great job of explaining how to set up the machine. The machine we tested was also a bit louder than expected, even though that could have been a variation in the individual unit. At $479, the Ender 3S1 Pro is the most expensive printer in our lineup. But it's also the best 3D printer under $500 as long as you don't mind spending your entire budget. The combination of its excellent print quality, ease-of-use features, and overall build quality help the Ender 3S1 Pro stand out from other 3D printers, including the Ender 3S1. It makes a good choice for prosumers and business owners who need a higher-end 3D printer with advanced features at a relatively low cost. At number 3. Anycubic Cobra 3D Printer. The Anycubic Cobra is the newest line of 3D printers by the Anycubic team. It is updated with modern features and priced conservatively, making it one of the best budget 3D printers under $500 available. The Kobra comes with a typical 220x 220x 250mm build volume that is sufficient to 3D print nearly all of your basic designs. Despite its low price, no compromises have been made in terms of build quality and stability. The Kobra is built with a full metal frame that ensures the machine remains sturdy during operation. Anycubic has integrated their LeviQ automatic bed leveling feature that calibrates the bed using a 25-point mesh, resulting in a perfect first layer print quality and good print bed adhesion. In our testing, we found this to work very well. The Anycubic Cobra also has some of the best print quality in its price range with very few imperfections. Its direct extruder helps with flexible filaments and gives you greater control over the filament flow. Its LCD touch screen is surprising at this low price and is both intuitive and user-friendly. The assembly is similar to that of most other 3D printers under $500. It comes partially pre-assembled in a flat pack and takes about 15 minutes to set up. You will notice that the Anycubic Cobra is rather loud. Its print cooling fan is also underpowered, which can result in some print issues if you're not careful with your settings. At $299, however, these problems are easy to overlook. The Kobra is an impressive 3D printer that offers a lot of value for the money and is our pick for the best budget 3D printer under $500. It makes for a superb first 3D printer for beginners or students in educational institutes. It also is for hobbyists who need to upgrade their previous generation 3D printer to a brand new one at an affordable price. At number 4. Anycubic Photon M3 Resin 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon M3 is a budget resin 3D printer offered in the Anycubic's long line of resin printers. It is the base model in the M3 series of resin printers and comes with some of the best features in its category. The M3 comes in a modern-looking curvy yet boxy design that helps to differentiate it from other resin 3D printers. It includes a 4K monochrome LCD screen that outputs a respectable XY resolution of 40 microns. This enables you to execute precise printing and reproduce fine details on your intricate prints. Its 4:1 contrast ratio also contributes to that. Anycubic has ensured that the LCD screen stays usable for a long time, and hence the M3 comes with an anti-scratch protective film on the LCD. The build plate is also texturized to improve the success rate of your 3D prints and help with bed adhesion. The Photon M3 is fully compatible with the Anycubic ecosystem, giving you access to various materials and 3D printer accessories. It is a great option for beginners venturing into the resin printing world and hobbyists who need good quality 3D prints without spending a lot of money. At number 5. FlashForge 3D Printer Adventurer. The Adventurer 3 Pro is the top-of-the-line model in the Adventurer 3 series of 3D printers from FlashForge. It comes with many unique features that make it a great enclosed 3D printer on a budget. The printer comes with both 245 degrees Celsius and 265 degrees Celsius hot ends set to ensure you get maximum material compatibility. The build plate is made of carbon silicon crystal glass with excellent flatness. This helps reduce warping and curling, giving you better print quality. Additionally, the build platform comes factory leveled, eliminating any worry about the print bed leveling procedure before your first 3D print. To help you get started quickly, the Adventurer 3 Pro comes pre-assembled right out of the box. It also includes automatic filament loading, a filament runout sensor, a quick change nozzle system, and a touch screen for convenience. The sole drawback is its small build volume of 150x 150x 150 mm. Unfortunately, a decreased build volume is a common side effect of enclosed 3D printers. Especially on a small budget, you can expect to make this trade-off. So if a large build volume is not your priority, the Adventurer 3 Pro is the best enclosed 3D printer under $500 you can find right now. Its increased safety makes it a superb classroom 3D printer for kids. If you have a child who is looking to learn and explore the 3D printing world, you can't go wrong with this one. At number 6. Elegoo Resin 3D Printer. The Elegoo Saturn S is a large format resin 3D printer with a build volume of 196x 122x 210 mm. It is designed to be an upgrade over the previous Elegoo Saturn and comes with an improved set of features. Its large 9.1-inch LCD is a monochrome screen, letting you achieve fast print speeds and get an increased screen lifetime. With a printing resolution of 0.048mm on the XY axis, it offers excellent reproduction of the finer details in your printed models. The Elegoo Saturn S comes with a big build plate. To support the large build platform, the machine uses dual linear rails on the Z-axis. These add stability and rigidity to the printer's metal frame while enabling smooth motion. As a result, you get reduced vibration and ghosting artifacts in your resin prints. The Elegoo Saturn S houses an inbuilt carbon filter as well. This helps eliminate the foul smell of some 3D printer resins and lets you print indoors with fewer worries. Considering its features and the large build volume, the Elegoo Saturn S is an excellent printer for large-scale printing miniatures and batch resin 3D printing. It is ideal for hobbyists and small businesses looking for a reliable resin 3D printer under $500.